hearing and doing. Remember this, my dear friends. Everyone must be quick to listen, but slow to speak and slow to become angry. Human anger does not achieve God's righteous purpose. So get rid of every filthy habit and all weak conduct. Submit to God and accept the word that He plants in your hearts, which is able to save you. Do not deceive yourselves by just listening to His word. Instead, put it into practice. If you listen to the word but do not put it into practice, you are like people who look in a mirror and see themselves as they are. They take a good look at themselves and then go away and at once forget what they look like. But if you look closely into the perfect law that sets people free and keep on paying attention to it, and do not simply listen and then forget it, but put it into practice, you will be blessed by God in what you do. Do any of you think you are religious? If you do not control your tongue, your religion is worthless, and you deceive yourself. But God the Father considers to the pure and genuine religion is this: to take care of orphans and widows in their suffering, and to keep oneself from being corrupted by the world